Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So guys, today we've got a Ford Transit Connect van that I actually sold about a year and a half, maybe 18 months, it's close to that kind of thing really, but a while back. And I normally look after his van, I've got to be honest. He comes back, services, MOTs, and now we've got some wear and tear, just normal wear and tear stuff, rear brake discs and pads. And he wants me to change the front drop links and track rod ends on this van. So yeah, just a few, bread and butter work, just bits and pieces for him, just to get him done. So let's get the van in, and then we're going to set up, probably do the rear end first. Let's do the rear disc, rear pads first, and then we're going to get on, do the front work as well. So yeah, let's crack on. Let's do this, guys. Right, okay, so we've got the Ford Transit Connect in the workshop, guys. And we're going to start with the rear end. Like I said to you before, I actually sold this to him about a year and a half ago, I reckon. And he just wants me to do discs, pads, track rod ends. It's because I was looking at them. Track rod ends and drop links on the front end. So that's the front end and that's the rear. So we're going to do that first. So yeah, let's just get set up and crack on with this rear discs and pads. Let's do this. Right, okay guys, there we go. Nice new discs and pads. So yeah, that should be a lot better for him. I think he's just when he's braking, it can feel like a a whirring noise. And I said, well, it's probably the discs that are probably warped a little bit. I think I've already changed the fronts on these ones, the discs and pads on the front. So it's not that. So it could be that, or it could be a wheel bearing. But he said, look, go for the discs and pads first. It was his choice. I gave him some options. He said, yeah, just do that first, and then we'll go from there. So, yeah, that's done. I'm going to chuck the wheels back on, and then I'm going to spin the van round, and then we're going to work on the front end. So we've got these drop links, and we've got these track rod ends. I did say to him as well, when you replace these track rod ends, you're going to need to get the tracking done. Because even though you wind them off so many turns, for some reason, it just never, it never works out. So you've got to get the tracking done. So I did say that to him. He said, yeah, it's fine. Get the tracking done as well. So let's get it spun round. I'll set you up and we'll crack on now with these parts. So yeah, let's do this. Right, okay, guys, there we go. That is the track rod ends and the drop links all fitted, both sides done. So yeah, you know, they're just wear and tear parts, and he just wanted to swap them over, just to keep the van going, because he does like this van. So yeah, he's prepared to sort of just spend a few quid just changing off these little bits and pieces that need doing. So yeah, that is all done. Little bit of bread and butter work, as they say. I'm sort of doing this really just to show the customer, you know, what's been done on his van. He likes to sort of see and watch it being done, which is all good. No problem at all. I don't mind doing that. They were a little bit, this one here was a little bit loose. And when they get that loose, that's when you get the knocking noises and that sort of stuff. This one as well, that's even split there. So yeah, they're just too loose. They should be quite tight. Like that end is nice and tight, and it stays in a position. You know what I mean? So that end was good. Just the other end. And even these obviously track rod ends, they're pretty stiff as well, which is a good sign, them being stiff. When they get loose, that's when you get knocking noises. When you're doing the steering left and right, they knock and bang. So, but yeah, they've been changed. Even that disc is a little bit pitty. It's a little bit scratchy like around. So it's nice to get sort of new discs and pads on the rear for him as well. But we're done. That's it. Nice and quick. So yeah, just wanted to quickly do a video on that. So that's it, guys. Quick video. Don't forget, drop me a comment down below. Give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you tomorrow in the next one, where I've got another subscriber's car coming in with a monster job. It is going to take days to do this next one. So stay tuned for that. That'll be on Friday, the start of it anyway. And I'll explain everything in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.